Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. This video will be a quick market update video based on yesterday's market analysis. Yesterday BTC was around 19.9k when I was recording the video, but I predicted a move down and I told you that before going up, much liquidity lies below this trend line which has to be grabbed before moving up. So similarly, same happened. BTC dropped almost by 900 USD and following my analysis, it almost pumped by 110 USD. So this video will be also a quick market update. We will analyze BTC today only on 4 hour. Before getting into the video, this is my VIP Discord where we trade live with our VIPs. Basically yesterday I told you while I was recording the video that we are in some spot trades. We traded yesterday OM in BTC pair, which hit our two targets and gave us 15% non-leveraged profit in spot. And the other trade today, we traded FIRO in USDT pair, which gave us hit our three targets and it gave us 12% non-leveraged profit. So combined, both of the trades in 24 hours gave us 30% non-leveraged profit. Basically yesterday we didn't traded any future trades because futures is actually extremely risky, and I don't trade when I don't have any confirmation in market, because I don't want to risk the money of my VIPs, because I can easily trade with this risk management 15:1, like other channels do in Telegram. Their one stop loss gives you 150% loss with 10x, and their one TB gives you 10% profit. So I can easily give my VIPs this sort of poor risk management trades. I can now give you guys 20 trades like this, but if my one stop loss gets hit, my 15 trades would be go almost useless. So that's why I trade less futures on my VIP Discord, but I take only confirmational entries, and obviously after that trade my VIPs enjoy the trade, because I wait too much for single entries, because futures is extremely risky, and if you follow noobs like who trade with 15:1 risk management, so your portfolio would be obviously empty in even in a week. Okay, so don't make sure not to follow such guys who trade with this risk management. Use your own brain. 15:1 is just gambling, it's not trading, guys. So let's get into the video. Yesterday BTC was around 19.9 when I predicted a move down. So what's happening right now? We can see again, so similarly, let me show you the daily time frame, what now others are looking now in market. So there are lots of guys who are seeing this as a bear flag. This was a bear flag where price dropped, and now they are again considering it to be a bear flag. So what I'm seeing is, what would you consider this? Either this is a bear flag or this would be a triple bottom. So will you consider this a bear flag or will you consider this a triple bottom? So triple bottom is a bullish structure and bear flag is a bear structure. So depends on you what you consider this, but I will analyze it only on 4 hour time frame and tell you guys what I am seeing right now in market. So currently we are on BTC USD 4 hour time frame. We could see formation of trend line, and this was the fourth test, and I clearly predicted that price will hit my box before moving up. So you can see price went through the trend line and hit my box and then bounce. So we can see we have a recent low right here, which this would be valid recent low, which was actually responsible for this whole move up, and this was the two equal highs which got broken by this wick right here, and this low was actually responsible for all this move up and breaking this two equal highs where liquidity lied above these. Okay, so what can we expect right now is tons of liquidity obviously lies, as I have been telling you guys from my previous videos, that tons of liquidity lies above these highs, above this high, above this high, above this order block right here, imbalance right here, area of inefficiency right here. So what can we expect before moving down? Personally, what I'm expecting is price has to grab this all liquidity, because those people who are short from here, they are quite happy with their profits. So if you were short from here, let's suppose if you did short from here and this was your first target got hit, you trailed your profit to next target, and your stop loss was, maybe your stop loss was right here, or maybe your stop loss is right here, or maybe your stop loss is right here. So retailers who did short from this zone are now quite happy with their profits. So before moving the price towards lower zones, what I expect is those people who are short from here, who are enjoying obviously their profits right now, they must be kicked out from the market. How will be they kicked out? Their stop loss would be right here above this high, their stop loss would be above this high, or the stop loss would be above this high. So before moving down, what I personally expect is BTC or the market manipulators or the institution, whosoever is controlling this market, he will kick all those out who are short from this resistance right here, and they're happy with their profit. So we might see this move. They just once they are kicked out from market, then we might see break of this low, and once this low gets broken, then we might see a move down towards quite lower zones that will be in between 17 to 14k. While I will analyze that in my coming videos, and I will let you know if that's gonna happen or not. So let me repeat this all scenario. Those people who are short from this area, this order block, or they would consider this area to be as a resistance, they are quite happy with their profits right now. But where liquidity lies, because price always moves, there's always a reason for the movement of price always moves to grab what? Liquidity. And currently liquidity lies, some liquidity lies right here, and tons of liquidity lies above this trend line, because obviously those people who are short from this resistance are quite happy with their profits. Their stop loss lies all above these zones. So the smart money or the composite man will not take all those retailers with them. Okay, so they might kick them out from the market first, then moving the price. It may, then he may move the price either to this zone or either to this zone, but I will analyze that in my coming videos. So this is today's market analysis video, that they might be kicked out from the market before moving the price towards lower zones. So this does not mean that my analysis is gonna work completely 100%. So make sure not to trust me blindly. Do your own research before you are following my analysis or taking any trade. So first of all, don't take any trade on my analysis. This is just to guide you. I am just explaining the market as the composite man moves it to make his own profits. This was today's market analysis video. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want free trading signals. Thank you very much.